at your design, you know, in a real environment here to see where the flaws are. I wanted to make sure his wheels all touch the tracks. So Clayton, go down a tiny bit farther so we're looking up at it a little bit. Are you down low? Or you can bring it up, one of the two. Okay, right. Go up a little higher. Okay, so if we look, now snap. There you go. Go to the right side a tiny bit. Just walk right, or look right. Right there. Okay, so we can get a sense of the wheels lined up, and you can see you picked right away that those back wheels are wider than the front wheels.
Yeah.
Which won't hurt anything, other than it might change the illusion that these are all on the tracks. So that's something he has to consider before we print it.
Clayton, can you look down? Can you go underneath of it so we look?
Walk underneath.
Walk underneath of it.
Can you walk under it?
There.
Yeah. Now walk and look up.
Well, I can't really see much for the track.
Just so you get a different view there.
Yeah.
I just heard.
Yeah.